Hello lovelies, it's Ada's recipes with you today. Thank you so much for stopping by. How are you guys doing? Today I share how to make easy and simple yummy vanilla cake without mixer and oven. Continue watching as I walk you through on how I came up with this vanilla cake. The first thing you're going to do is to break in your eggs into the bowl. Next, you whisk the eggs. Add sugar. Continue to mix till foamy. Next, you add cooking oil. Combine everything together. Sift in the flour. Then gently fold in the flour. Sift in the baking powder. Mix. Add powdered vanilla flavor. Then this is a liquid vanilla flavor. You can choose to add both or either of them. Then you add salt, add milk, then you combine till everything is all combined. As you guys can see, it's smooth and well combined. The next thing you're going to do is to grease your cake pan, then you pour in the cake batter. So next, we are using a pot to bake. You're going to heat your pot. Then you place a stand in the pot, then put the cake. You're going to cover and bake for about 30 minutes on medium heat. So as you guys can see, our cake is fully baked Okay, so dip in a knife. If the knife or toothpick comes out clean, is well baked. So here is a easy yummy vanilla cake. You can come up with this at home. Okay, so for the recipe measurement, check the description. Thank you so much and see you guys in the next one. Bye.